what's up everybody? Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors in the kitchen of the competitive Who's Gonna Cook For Me in the RV. Now actually this is a 2020 Crossroads Zinger 292 RE, which stands for Rear Entertaining. And when you just take one big look around, you can see why and how this can be such a great entertaining travel trailer. I'm gonna start right back here in the back, where we have the convertible sofa, which kicks out into a sleeper. And if you take a look, they have the soft shades, which I'm a big fan of. I do like the wood blinds, but when you have these darkened soft shades, you get a little bit of ambient light in, but the privacy and the look and feel is just tremendous. You got the maple shaker style cabinets with the glass and the brushed nickel fixtures all the way throughout this camper. And Crossroads, when they built the Zingers, they built them for comfort and convenience. So you're gonna notice tons of storage, tons of entertainment area, but more than that, everything's just so convenient. Got the fireplace down here, the Furion 30-inch. Right above that, you got the television on a swivel, plus a sound bar built in, which does have USB and dual zone. And everything is also pre-wired inside this Crossroads Zinger. But just take a look at the spacious storage you're gonna have, not only above there, but make our way over to the kitchen. Right above the prep area, you got more. The darkened, or as they call it, shaded glass. Prep space right here. Got the 3-burner stove with the grill top. I have become a big fan of these because they're easy to take off and clean, but more than that, a lot easier to move the pots and pans around. Black microwave, black hood, black oven. And look at that. You got space. This is one of those long weekend campers where you don't have to worry about, we can only be out for a couple of days. No, this has got enough space and storage where if you need to take those extended trips, you got the style and comfort to do it. My favorite option in this 292 RE, the island right here, because it does have pass-through right here, which I've seen a lot of people use for their storage, for their hiking gear, fishing gear. You can put your tackle boxes under there, your backpacks, your shoes, gets it out the way. Got the single sink, deep well stainless steel with the high-rise faucet and sprayer right here. Got more prep space and storage up above here with the frosted glass. I mean, that maple with that black shade is just so nice looking. Crossroads really stepped it up. Got your 15,000 BTU air conditioner right there. Pantry storage beside the stainless steel 6-foot cubic refrigerator over here, which runs on both gas and electric. So if you needed to convert that, you absolutely could. Got the glass shelves in there too. It's a real nice touch. Makes this a residential style camper. But we come over here, and I don't know what it is about the recliners. I have become a fan of recliners in campers. These are plush. And if you take a look at these large windows, not only on the side slide here, but behind me on the campsite, you open those up and get the breeze in, you're gone. You're out for days. Another nice accent that they've added to the Zingers is this chair rail that's all the way around the slide. We come over to the U-shaped dinette. This table does go down, so this is a sleeper, but gives you lots of space, not only front and back, but side to side. For the family, you want to do the prep meals, you want to play the card games, you want to play the board games, want to lay out today's catch and get it cleaned up, don't want to mess up the kitchen, you can absolutely do it right there. So, make our way down the hallway to the master bedroom. These have become a lot more popular than they used to be, especially in the 2020 models. The glass shower doors. And you have the connector there, the rubber connector, which keeps the doors shut when in transit so they don't bounce around and break. But sturdy, lots of room in this corner surround. As you can see with the skylight, I got plenty of headroom. I'm not gonna be hitting my knuckles up there. Plus, it's a powered fan and a vent, but the blue cover on top of the vent, I like the ambient light like that. That's just me. But plenty of shower room, plenty of storage space. And got these solid shaker style cabinet doors here in the bathroom pantry with some storage space there for you as well, both up and down. And got the foot flush with the ceramic bowl there. I mean, it's ceramic in a travel trailer. That's a nice keystone touch right there. We move back to the master bedroom. And yes, I know I got the vanity in the bathroom, but I wanted to show you this. Got the barn door in the master, and it is a pass-through bathroom. We come through right here, And right there's my vanity, more storage underneath, mirrored medicine cabinets. And I'm gonna go back to the master. I'll see you there. Nope, I'm gonna go back to the bathroom and see you over here. Okay, no, I'm going to the master. I'm right here. Got the large bed, got the LED lights underneath, got your shelf storage there, wards there with your hanging storage, and of course you got the night tables with the charging ports and the extended space carpeted covered on the side over here. So if you have anything like a CPAP machine or night light or something you needed to charge, on one side you got the plugs, on the other side you also got the USB chargers. Vented fan here, and just the features that they've put in these Crossroads Zingers really makes this a comfortable, convenient, and for only being roughly 7,200 pounds, not that heavy of a travel trailer that can sleep a pretty good amount of people. I mean, you're looking at 2 here. You got the jackknife sofa there, which is another 2, and the dinette, which is another 2. 6 people comfortably, adults. Unless you had kids, you could probably get 8. But beautiful on the inside. Wait until you see what we have for you on the outside. Okay, everybody, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Crossroads Zinger 292 RE. You saw how nice it was on the inside. Check out the outside. I am just a big fan of the blue, gray, white color scheme. But you got the fiberglass front, seamless roof all the way over, diamond plated rock guard here. Got your battery mount right there, 2 20-pound propane tanks, and one of the most helpful features you're gonna find, powered tongue jack with the LED light. You don't know how useful that is till you have to go set one up. These are also set up for solar prep. So if you have a solar panel or you're looking to get one, these come ready, standard. Take a look at the pass-through storage. Let me move the cable there just for a hot minute, and you'll see not only is it finished and does it look nice, just like it does on the inside, but look at that space right there. Comfort and convenience, like I mentioned on the inside. You want to go for those long trips, store the beach chair, store the hunting gear, store the hiking gear, fishing gear, whatever you want, it's there. Water connection there. City water connection here and black tank flush right there. Got your external shower, which I've always said, I never knew how useful it was until we had one. My wife always said, don't bring the dirty stuff into the camper. That's our home, keep it outside. Labeled and easily accessible black and gray tanks right here underneath. And if you can see, this is a enclosed, sealed underbelly, helping to keep that extreme weather in and out. All right, Bob, it's gonna be a little tight. Come on through here, do a little sideways shuffle. And here we go. Got your amp service connection right there. And if you'll notice, the sealed and tinted safety glass all the way around this camper. Got your 4x4 sewer hose storage right there. Satellite and cable connection right there, which everything is combined on the inside. Spare tire, large bay window, and these are set up for backup cameras. So if you want to get that installed for your vehicle, just talk to our service folks. They'll be glad to help you. One of the most useful features of the exterior, power stabilizer jacks, both in the front and the rear. So when you're setting up, that makes life so much easier. We come to the living room area. You got one entertainment space right here. This whole living room slide has its own awning with the LED light underneath. Got the step above solid steps with the extra large grab handle here, and what I like to call the cooking/grilling area. This has its own separate awning. You got the exterior speakers, which has dual zone Bluetooth, so you can play the music in and out. Plus you got your power connection there. If you want to set up a TV for the outside, you got your cable right there. So if you want to do your grilling and your entertaining, maybe cook the fish or clean the fish that you just caught, great spot to do it right here. So if you've been thinking about upgrading that camping experience, you want something that's maybe going to be a nice hunting lodge to just take somewhere and set up that's not really that heavy. This Crossroads Zinger 292 RE is a tremendous option, especially with the entertainment area, the convenience, comfort, and style that you're going to find on the inside. At Gander RV and Outdoors, we're about going to the extreme, and that means making something extremely nice like this Zinger. So leave us some comments down below. What'd you like about it? Where do you see yourself taking it? Where would you like to take it? What's your dream camping experience? I love hearing about that. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I look forward to seeing you again soon. And as always, hey, come check out a Zinger. I'll see you soon.